up, Willie. First, eat a piece of bean. There you go. Show Daddy Willie.
Whoa, who is that?
Will.
Who?
Willie.
Willie?
Yeah.
Let me see his face.
Show Willie's face. Turn around.
Oh my gosh, what happened? Is he missing something?
What's he missing?
What is it?
No.
What?
No.
Where is it?
I don't know.
What happened to his hair?
Fell out.
Hi, Will.
No, this is the arm.
His arm here.
It's arm fun now.
His arm's falling off too? I think Willie. It's because Willie gets a lot of exercise from you. Hey, Lucy. Does Willie have a son?
Willie's son.
What's his son's name?
Will. No, this is the big Will.
That's the big Will?
Yeah, this is little Will. That is little Will. It was yours. This is big Will and mom's house. Look at it. I'm coming. Look at it. Look at it. Woo! Woo! Look at it.
Don't throw Willie.